Hey guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. Today we'll be showcasing our 2022 Thanksgiving Tablescape. We always receive great feedback with our Tablescape videos, so we will continue to do this every year. Previously, we've showed you a traditional and amber and rust theme. We wanted something very simple, elegant, and clean this year. And honestly, this year's is our favorite. This tablescape is very different from what you guys are used to or have seen. We have a beautiful neutral white Thanksgiving table setting. The theme of the tablescape is neutral boho, with the color scheme being made up of white, beige, and some gold. Let's begin setting this table up. These are some of the items we will use to fill our table. As you can see, everything is neutral and soft. Obviously, you can't beat the ambience that real candles give off, but these LED candles are so nice and won't be too much of a hazard if you have little ones. As our base, we decided to use a white tablecloth to brighten up the table. We didn't bother steaming or ironing this tablecloth since we're looking for a natural and soft look. So I'm just going to use my hands to straighten it out, and on top of that, we added a nice champagne colored runner for contrast. It adds a subtle soft texture. Then we decided to use white pumpkins as fillers to a vase to really highlight the Thanksgiving and fall theme of this tablescape. We ordered these from Michael's and love that we can reuse it every year. We were contemplating on purchasing the real pumpkins from Trader Joe's, but we opted out and we decided to purchase this. We accented the table with a mix of white and clear glass vases with a mix of faux and real floral for a soft wispy look. Next, we filled the table with candles of mixed textures and colors for warmth. I got these little pumpkins from Hobby Lobby last year, and I'm not sure if they still have it, but Target has an amazing fall-autumn collection, so that would be a great place to look as well. But I wanted to incorporate some of these pumpkins that are of different sizes and textures to the table so that it's not all symmetrical. For the plateware, we decided on white dinner plates all around. Then we went around with satin napkins on each plate with a beige stone salad plate on top. Now top each one off with a white pumpkin, and we are done with the plateware. Let us go on to our flatware. This champagne gold flatware is the perfect complement to the color scheme. It isn't as sharp as gold or bold as black. This flatware is newer in my kitchen but worked out perfectly with this year's theme. We like the look of mixed glasses, so to the head of the tables, we went with a different fluted coupe glass from the rest. Doesn't this look amazing? The ambience is great without the candles lit, but definitely creates a different feel with the candles lit. We usually do go for a warm or dark color theme because it is fall after all. But this look is just irresistibly cozy and perfect if you want something different for this year. We were afraid that a white and neutral tablescape would look a little too Christmassy, but in our opinions, it's perfect. We are absolutely in love. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope that we gave inspiration to you all for this year's Thanksgiving. We'll see you guys next time.